Have you ever seen a product commercial or advertisement that made you rush out and want to buy the product right away? Product commercials have been used for decades to persuade us to try new things and make new purchases. But what makes a product commercial successful? Product commercials come in many forms, from sleek and sophisticated ads for luxury items to fun and quirky spots for everyday products. But no matter the style, the goal is the same: to capture your attention and convince you that the product is worth your time and money. So how do they do it?
Why don't you explain what that is so they can understand?
Yeah,
just explain what that is.
Explain what you think that is.
Okay.
Just explain it.
Well, I created 2 of my own short commercials to help demonstrate. One way is through narrative storytelling. This helps connect with the audience through emotion, humour,
Oh my god, wouldn't that be hilarious?
or relatable situations. By understanding the customers and what motivates them, the advertisers can then craft a message that resonates with them and helps drive action. As you can see, this commercial is focused on the narrative of a morning where things are left undone, which can be related to the everyday customer. For example, the fridge is left open, the bread is also left open, and the toast gets burnt. Now, by switching up the beat, it emphasises a more positive morning. There is also a shift in tone. The colours are now brighter. The orange juice then signifies that you'll have more energy and things won't go wrong. The second way in which advertisers can entice the audience is through making it look visually appealing. I did this in my second ad by making it look irresistible. Which ones did you guys prefer? Let me know in the comments. Now here's how I made that cool commercial.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
So first I got this spinning device that you can put any product on and it will spin automatically. This was helpful so that I could cut out the background and have a cool spinning rotation animation throughout the whole of the commercial. I then went into After Effects and cut out the product so that I can put it in many different positions and variations. I then cut up some orange slices as they complement the Fanta and then stuck them on a stick. I then rotated the stick in the same place as the black backdrop so that I could cut it out and then have them spinning in the background. So the next time you see a product commercial that catches your eye, think about what made it effective. Was it the visuals or the message?
I'll catch you on the flippity flip. Bye.